guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's new releases. So we have June monthly items and we also have a very new kit, a new thing for a new planner. I'll show you guys, we'll get into it. All right, so the first thing we have here is the June monthly kit. This is the 7x9 size, but we do have them for the classic Happy Planner as well as the 8.5x11 size planner. So more specifically for the Erin Condren sizes, but I think that I've heard they work for most planners that have that are 7x9 or 8.5x11. I can't 100% confirm that, but you know, they do work in the Erin Condren, so that's the one thing I know. So anyway, this just comes with one sheet. This is like our basic functional kit. However, you can get these add-ons. So I'll show you guys the add-ons. You have little labels, you have the date covers, and some boxes. So this kind of makes up the whole monthly kit, but you purchase everything separately because that way you can just kind of build the perfect thing for your monthly kit. Next up, we have the June budget kit. This is available for 7.5, no, not 7.5, 7x9 and 8.5x11, as with pretty much all the stickers that I'm gonna show you guys, but I only printed and cut the ones that were for the 7.5x9 or 7, why do I keep wanting to say 7.5? 7x9. So this is the June budget kit. This just goes in your notes page section of your planner. So I'll show you guys. It would go back here. So you have a header, and then you would have these little bars that fit in this section, you know. So that's where that goes, in case you were wondering. But yeah, so we do have this June budget kit for all of your budgeting needs. Next up, we have this savings tracker, which again, it just goes in the notes page section of your planner. Then we have the debt tracker, the sinking funds, and then finally we have the weekly check-in page. So the next new release is for the Daily Duo. You guys, I've been talking about this for a couple of weeks and I know some of you have been really excited about it. So let me just show you guys in my planner. I used my kit this week, which is so exciting. So, I didn't fill out, hang on, let me zoom you out. So I didn't fill out a ton of stuff on this day because I had a rough day, but, you guys can see that I have been using a kit in here. So that's what that looks like. So I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so these are very similar to our functional kits. So our functional kits right now, we only offer for vertical planners, but now we have the Daily Duo. So it's gonna be the exact same thing. So the vertical kit 1 had the same pattern. So same color, same everything. But now this is just for the Daily Duo. So this is what sheet A looks like, and they're all separate, so they're all a la carte sheets. Then you have your headers, as well as this strip is for, let's see if I can find it, is for this right here, this section. Actually, that one has a strip, this section. So that's what that little strip is, and then these are just to cover the dates. Sheet C is all the numbers. So I left this to where if you just wanted to purchase this sheet, you could write in the days. But if you didn't want to write in the days, I put them right here on page C. And then I just put some functional stickers, some boxes and whatnot. And then sheet D is a couple little icons and then some boxes, some flags, and then some little labels. So that makes up the Daily Duo kit. And like I said, they're a la carte, so you can kind of pick and choose and make your perfect kit. So next up we have kit number 2. This one is my favorite pattern. I really loved the vertical one for this, and I'm so excited to use this. I think I'm going to use this one next week because I'm ready for spring. So this is what this looks like. It's just beautiful floral prints. Then we have the date covers and the date numbers, the dates, and then boxes and more functional stuff. And last we have sheet D, which is icons, flags, labels, and some more boxes. Alright guys, so that's everything that is new in the shop this week. Make sure to check the description box below on how you guys can get 20% off of these. And yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to click subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see in another new release. So let me know, are there any stickers that you want to see in the shop? Leave it in the comments. But that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.